To uninstall all bloatware on the Redmi Note 14s, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you will have to go for the settings, and from here you have to scroll down and find the apps. Go into the apps and go for manage apps. And right here you can find the list of all of these applications which you have on your phone. And this is the easiest way to actually do this, to go into these manage apps options, and from here you will find go from the top to the bottom and delete all of these applications which you actually don't use, which come pre-installed on your phone. Like for example this AliExpress application, I'm not really using it, so let's press uninstall and delete this application. The same thing applies to all of these games. Like this phone, after you buy it and set it up, it like has a lot of pre-installed applications and games which are not really necessary, you don't need them, are occupying your space, are occupying the space on your phone, are occupying the RAM memory, also might actually connect to the internet and some other stuff. So basically find all of these applications which you don't use, you are not using, like the Facebook application for example, and simply tap on them and press uninstall. And let's take a look if we have some more applications. Can I disable? No, I cannot disable the game center actually, but this thing applies to all of these games on your phone and applications like, I don't know, Facebook, TikTok, or anything like this, which is available here. So yeah, that's basically how you can delete all of the bloatware on your phone. Let's find for some more applications which are unnecessary. Snake Zone IO game, I'm not using it. I will actually leave the Spotify, I'm using Spotify a lot. Let's remove TikTok from here. The tile phone, there's like a lot of applications and they occupy a lot of space right here and they're not really necessary. You can delete all of them, and as you can see that might be actually almost all. Some applications I'm not really seeing them, so like I recommend you to actually, after you deleted all of them, take a look again at all of the applications, carefully take a look and see if you deleted all of the bloatware right here. And yeah, that will be basically it, I think. LinkedIn, well, let's delete also this one, and I think that will be all for the bloatware on the Redmi Note 14s right here. Yeah, so that's it. Simply all of these applications and games and other stuff which you are not using, and that's how you can do this.